Hey everybody, this is Nancy, and I do make leather things. I'll have a video on this pretty soon. It's kind of a wet mold thing. I just absolutely love it. I even have some scars for the hide. I really like that. Anyway, I've got a friend that really likes that too, because it's got some character to it. And here's another thing I made. But I also do bags. And I'm making this bag right here. But anyway, this is my burnishing supply. So when I burnish these edges here, I have a sponge and I wet down the edges. And then this goes in here. I wet them down, and then I sand them, wet them down, and do this with this burnisher and stuff. And then I apply this. Anyway, so this was a mess. I had all this sandpaper in here, and I got some time on my hands. I'm going to figure out how to do this better. Well, I have all this waterproof canvas scraps. So what I did, I took these and made them all, made about 6 of them the same size, and then I cut them, like 5 by 3, I think it was. Put a line down the middle here. Put some, I have some like 1 inch or 3/4 of an inch double-sided tape. And then I pressed that together. So I had all these pieces that kind of look like that. And then I put them together and I sewed them. So this is what I came up with. And this is so much nicer. So right here, here I have, right in here, I have, this is all my, and then I took all my sandpaper and I cut it into little squares. There's 600. And then here's 400. I made sure that it was marked on there. And here's 220. I'll turn that around so you can see it. 220. And then I think I have 150. I don't use 150 that often, but I do use it. So anyway, and then look at this. Oh my gosh. It's so nice, And then I have my canvas here that I use, and that is so much easier. Now, waterproof canvas, I've got a new Texo sewing machine, so I sewed it down here, double stitched it here, double stitched it here. I used about 1/8 of an inch. There's a little screw up right here, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. I think that scrap piece had it, and I didn't catch that. But anyway, it is so nice, and it's so convenient and keeps them together. I always have to search through, okay, where's my 600, where's my 400, and all that. But I love it. It's so nice, and just feels nice, So there's a purple, and, so I know I could put right here. Of course, I could put 600, but now waterproof canvas, you don't have to worry about finishing the edges, and this is just, this is just for my own use, but it fits right in there, and I can close that sucker up, and there you go. Now, I did make some stuff with that. I did make these. I made my granddaughter some of these, too. So I thought, well, I can make little wallets. So here's one, and waterproof canvas, don't have to worry about the edges. So you can put a card in there, Isn't that neat? These are little things I got from Amazon, and I thought I'd just throw them in there. But anyway, I don't know, they're probably like 10 cents each or something, but they were pretty nice. Stainless steel. I might have, I don't know how much they were, probably. I got a bunch of them. But anyway, so there's one that I used, and this is all the same color here, and then this is so anyway, so don't throw out your scraps of waterproof canvas. Okay, catch you on the downside, upside. I don't know. I'm too old to know. But anyway, talk to you later.